Well, hello everyone. This is Carrie Beck with Family eBiz. I don't know if they cut that off, but you know Facebook, they're always doing something strange. Hey, I am so glad that you are here with me today. We are going to have a great time. And actually, as I was setting up today, and this is, I think, the second week I've had our beach scene for the summertime, I'm like, yes, you can go to the beach if you know how to do affiliate marketing. You can take a break and keep making money on a regular basis. And that's what we want to talk about today is affiliate marketing. Um, if you are joining us, whether you're on the replay or the live, would you just tell me yes or no that you already use affiliate marketing or you're interested in figuring this out? Or maybe you're just sort of wandering around and you happen to see us today. But let me know, have you ever used affiliate marketing in the past? And if you want to tell me how it's gone, that would be great. That would help me prepare for the next several weeks. One thing I did do was I actually put a schedule for the next, for all the different weeks in June of the different topics that I plan to go on and the different topics we're going to talk about. Hey, Cherry, glad you're here. Um, what I'm going to do is give a little bit of an introduction, sort of like my story. Then I'm going to talk about some different types of affiliate programs. And then we're going to talk about what you could do this week to get started. So let's do that. And then next week, I'm going to be talking about our web pages and how you could start to set that up. So let me just tell you that in the beginning, yes, I had my little Amazon links, but that does not make much money. If y'all think that you're making a lot of money, you need to have tons of traffic to make money from Amazon links. Now, I still will get a paycheck from them usually every single month, but it's not much. We're talking $25 to $40 maybe. It's just not something I have really focused on. So as my traffic increases, I could be making that as long as I have the right items for the people visiting my website. So originally, I will say I was not good at affiliate marketing. We've been trying that. We've been using it off and on since about 2003 or 2004. We would do okay with one-time affiliate events, whether that was a bundle or something. But even that, I didn't necessarily do that great. And my affiliate sales were not that great. But I will tell you in the last 4 or 5 years, my affiliate sales have gone up. They average each year around 30 to 32% of my annual income. That's a lot for my whole income. So it is something I do pay attention to. I think it's really important that you choose wisely. Let me explain what an affiliate is and how you're going to make money. Let's think of like the products that you use or products that you really, you want to support that are in your niche. And then you can go see if they have what we call an affiliate program. And then if they do and you sign up, you would get a link that goes just to you. And every time someone buys with that link, you get a commission from that company. So I think it's really important that you choose wisely. I would not recommend what a lot of people have done in the past, and that's like they just affiliate link everything. No, I only want to, oh great, I hope this says restart your device, not now. Sorry, lost my train of thought. I think of the things that I support, like in Family eBiz. I use Aweber. I get a paycheck from Aweber every single month. That is my email service provider. I've been using it since 2002 or 3. I love Aweber, and I highly recommend it. I use GoDaddy, and actually I just found out they've changed programs, and I was looking at my to-do list, and I need to update my thing so I can start making money. I use ThriveCart. I love ThriveCart, and I can make a commission. That is my shopping cart, my affiliate program, my courses, all of that wrapped up, bundled up into one. And so if someone signs up for ThriveCart and they use my link, I will get a commission off of that. Those are just a few things. What is it? And leave something in the chat. Let me know if you are in a niche. What type of program do you already support? Do you endorse? Do you recommend? That's where I would start because you already know something about it. Be sure that you choose wisely. You don't want to just be, again, throwing things out. You want to make sure that whatever it is, it's a good resource that will truly solve your people's problem. So those are a few things. I have other ones in the homeschool market, and I'll talk about those next week because they connect with my web pages. All right. That's my story. You can see I went from like seriously $20 at Amazon back then. We were making $20 a quarter. It was pitiful. And I have changed my process. What I want to do over the next several weeks is just show you the strategies that I have been using as well. So, and Cherry, thank you. I'm interested in figuring out. I don't know why this is not showing on my laptop and it's showing on my phone. But thank you for saying that. Let's talk about these. There are some different types of affiliate programs. This week, I am a part of both a business affiliate program and a homeschool one. Let's talk business. You've probably got an email from me about the summer business school. My friend Kat Griffin lives over in Korea, and she's organized that. That is going on right now. If you haven't signed up, I'm going to put a link when this is over so that you can get it. There are two types of bundles in here. One is a free bundle. I gave something away for free. You do not even have to pay anything. And it's like 100 products, I think. And then there is a paid bundle. And there's less. I do have something in that one as well. So the first one has my Create a 30-Day Challenge. The second one is my 6 weeks to creating a recipe, an online, a digital course that anyone can follow. I can't even talk today. That is going on right now. If anyone buys it, I get a commission if they use my link. In a few weeks, I will be doing what I've done every June for I don't know how many years. I will be participating in BC Stack. This is my friend Dan and Rachel, and they put this year. I am so excited. Y'all are going to love BC Stack this time. Traffic. Everything in BC Stack is traffic. Things that have to do with traffic. I've got a course called something like 5 strategies to driving traffic. And so you'll get videos for each one of them. In the fall, I will be a part of Genius Bloggers Toolkit. I don't know what I'm doing with that. It's just on the to-do list. As a contributor, I get more percentage. So let's say their regular percentage is 40%. I would get 50%. So affiliates would get 40. And contributors will get 50. And I make a fair amount of money. There is another group that is reviving themselves. They have not been around for about 3 or 4 years. And I will tell you, the last time I supported this group, and it was a homeschool group, I made enough money to pay half of my annual property taxes. And y'all may think, oh, that's not much, because my cousin in Mississippi pays $600 a year. I'm like, oh my goodness, I paid 10 times that. So I made a lot of money, and it paid my property taxes that year. I have also been just an affiliate for bundles, all right? And the story that I think about is a couple years ago, there was this thing called the Ultimate Gardening Bundle. It was put out by Ultimate Bundles. And I was like, it's springtime. I just may do something with this. I wasn't a contributor, but I still promoted it. How did I promote it? I had to it was only 1 week. I had to show how kids could be involved in gardening to my homeschool moms. I had blog posts on gardening. I had a Facebook party on gardening and offered that at the end. I found the best products in the bundle that my moms could use, and I told them all about it. I had a Facebook Live weekly that was from a biblical tie-in called Vine and Branches that tied the Christian view of gardening in. I shared a science experiment, the bean plant experiment. I gave value and I offered more helps. I did a lot of things as an affiliate. We'll talk about some of those things. But when it's a one-time event, you really have to pour yourself into this, whether that is an event or a bundle, all right? Now, I will tell you the other thing that will be in the description wherever you are listening to it is a link. If you would ever like to promote Ultimate Bundles as an affiliate, you can sign up under me, and I would love to help you be successful in that. So I will give you my affiliate link, and it's you're not buying anything. You're just signing up as an affiliate under me because they have tiered affiliates, and I would love for that. So that's a bundle. The other type of one-time product is events. I this week am a part of the Homeschool Teen Summit, and some of you have heard me about that as well. One of the things that I did just last minute on Saturday, I was typing an email to go out on Sunday, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to offer a bonus. It isn't even to me a super big bonus, but since we're talking about teens, my talk is on critical thinking skills, and I have an ebook on Teach Your Children How to Think with Mentoring. I'm offering the ebook. Anyone that signs up with my link, that's a bonus. We'll talk a lot about that in a few weeks. But I offer a bonus for buyers. I segment my list. And you know what I did? And we'll talk about emails later. But on Sunday night, I sent one more email. And it was only to the people that had clicked the link to the summit. I didn't need to bother everyone else. I am doing some testing on boosting Facebook posts in the next few weeks. I'm just going to see how that works as well. But those are a few ideas. So an event would be something where people are coming for a week and they get whatever they get with the event. I happen to be speakers at an event, and that's what I will promote. The other thing is just regular products, like in homeschool, how to homeschool my child. We have a homeschool niche. If you're in that and you want to be one of my affiliates, you could promote the unit studies year round, all the time. You could promote Homeschool Superheroes Week and July. Some of y'all are listening to this because you're my speakers and you want to know how to promote the best. And so that is what you need to do. You need to go out and find different things. All of these things I've offered you, we will have links in the description, so don't worry about that. By the way, I forget at the beginning, wherever you're listening to this, be sure you subscribe, because some of y'all are listening to it on YouTube or a podcast, that type of thing. All right, so one-time events. Next week we're going to talk about evergreen affiliate products. But what I want you to do this week, there's two parts to the homework. What I want you to do is I want you to start a spreadsheet with all the resources that you would want to promote or that you believe in that are in your niche. All right. Just brainstorm it, put the URL wherever you find that URL. That's all you're doing. You need to go in your niche, because if you are in the health niche, you don't necessarily need homeschool. You don't need entrepreneur stuff or how to make a website. You need to help these people with maybe some sort of nutritional affiliate program, something that you promote, that you believe in. That's the biggest thing. I think you need to believe in it. The other thing is, I want you to start thinking about your goals for affiliate marketing. A lot of you are like, well, I just want to make some money, and that's a good one. So one of the goals could be making money. Another goal may be growing your email list, because as they come to get your items, and you need to see how you're going to grow your email list when your affiliates send people to you. And we'll talk about emails in a few weeks. Another thing you might be doing is just networking with other people in your niche, finding out how you can work together. I was just on a call last week with Janine LaTulip, and her husband is one of our speakers. We've known each other for years, and we were just brainstorming some ways that we could collaborate in the homeschool niche. And we're going to get together in a few weeks and sort of decide what do we want to do. So that is another thing you can do, because a lot of times these affiliate programs, especially when it's they usually have a Facebook group. I have a year-round Facebook group for my homeschool group. And, we've got things going on all the time to let people know. We have events twice a year. We have a launch that just finished. And then I'm going to be doing I do some seasonal things like Christmas and Easter for affiliates to make money as well. So you need to find some things that you truly believe in, and just start making a list. Decide, is my main goal to make money? If you don't have a product, then it's probably not making an email list. If you do have a product and you have an affiliate program, it might be growing your email list. Or is it networking? Maybe it's just more brand exposure. I don't know. But you need to think about what is your goal for affiliate marketing, and then make a list of all the places that you might want to resources. Do y'all have any thoughts, questions about any of that? That was sort of a lot of information. And as y'all, if you type anything in, next week I will be talking about your web pages. How do you connect them all, and what do you put on your web pages to be able to make money? And this is going to be more with evergreen like things that are on your webpage all the time. But then also, how do you promote a one-time event on your webpage as well? Then we'll be talking about my best tip for making sales for in affiliate marketing. Then the last one, I think, is all about emails and how do we deal with them. How do we deal with them as an affiliate, and how do we deal with them when other people are affiliates for us? So we've got a lot to cover. I'm really serious about Homeschool Superheroes Week. That's the last week of July. Anyone that is in the homeschool niche, this is an easy event because you can offer a free ticket, and then we upsell them the VIP pass. I think that's it. And if y'all have questions about affiliate marketing, just let me know. I'm Carrie Beck with Family eBiz. We'll talk to you later.